Have you ever looked at a clock and sworn the second hand was stuck for way longer than it should be? You're not losing your mind, and the clock isn't broken. Your brain is literally stopping time. This phenomenon has a name: chronostasis, also known as the stopped clock illusion, and it reveals something incredible about how your brain manipulates your perception of reality every single day. Here's what's happening. Right now, your eyes are making tiny, lightning-fast movements called saccades. These happen 3 to 4 times every second, and they're so quick you don't even notice them. But here's the problem. If your brain processed visual information during these rapid eye movements, everything would look like a blurry mess. So your brain does something extraordinary. It literally pauses your perception of time. During each saccade, which lasts about 40 milliseconds, your brain essentially hits the pause button on visual processing. You become functionally blind for that split second, but you never notice because your brain fills in the gap. It's like having a master editor constantly cutting out the blurry parts of your visual experience. But the stopped clock illusion happens when this system gets caught in the act. When you suddenly shift your gaze to a clock, your brain backfills the gap from your saccade with the first clear image it sees, that clock face. This makes it seem like that first second lasted longer than it actually did, because your brain is essentially stretching that moment to cover the time you were blind during the eye movement. Think about it. Your brain is constantly lying to you about time to create a seamless visual experience. Every day, you experience hundreds of these micro time stops, but you never notice because your brain has become the ultimate magician, making the gaps disappear. This isn't just about clocks either. You might notice this same effect when looking at your phone screen, a watch, or any digital display. That first moment always feels stretched, like time hiccuped. What's even more mind-blowing is that this reveals how subjective time really is. We think of time as this constant, universal force, but your brain is actively constructing your experience of it moment by moment. Time isn't just flowing past you. Your brain is editing it, cutting it, and reconstructing it to make sense of the world. Scientists have discovered that chronostasis can last up to 500 milliseconds. That means your brain can stretch a single moment by half a second without you realizing it. Over the course of a day, with thousands of saccades, your brain is constantly manipulating your timeline. The next time you glance at a clock, and that second hand seems frozen, remember, you're not witnessing a malfunction. You're experiencing one of the most sophisticated editing jobs in the universe, performed by the 3 pounds of tissue inside your skull that's desperately trying to make sense of a world that's constantly in motion. Your brain doesn't just process reality, it creates it, one perfectly edited moment at a time.